YouTubers voting on whether they prefer Jak and Daxter
or Ratchet and Clank. The voting has now been closed, and the votes have been tallied. So, which did they prefer?
Are they furries or are they elves?
Did my commercial work?
Let's find out.
And the winner is...
Sly Raccoon
No, it's Ratchet!
and Clank.
While a lot of you said that Jak and Daxter was great, because it's all about the adventure, you found that Ratchet and Clank's gun-based gameplay was a lot more satisfying. Thanks to all those that voted, and look forward to the next Versus video, between an original and a remake.
What could it be? Deanna Sisters?
Resident Evil?
GoldenEye?
Or Super Mario Bros. 3 on the GBA.
Oh.